We're at 300 Box Elder Way in the beautiful Oak Hollow development, right across from the community pool. This is a brand new neighborhood. And what we have here is a better than new home. So a nice big corner lot. This house is 1 year old, and the reason I say it's better than new is that it is loaded with a bunch of upgrades and options that the builder out here doesn't even offer anymore. You've got nice stonework on the front. Got a nice foyer here with picture frame molding and chair rail molding, crown molding. The owners here have added a barn door. And this is great because you can close off the guest rooms on this side of the house from the rest of the home. So what we have up front here are 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This front bedroom the owners are currently using as an office. It's got nice ceiling fans, LVP flooring, great full bath here with comfort height cabinets. Granite countertops. There's me. Hi. Tub shower. Even updated the shower head. Here's guest bedroom number 2. And again, good sized rooms here. Ceiling fan. Good sized closets. I love the fish on the wall. It's real beachy. So again, nice foyer, nice entranceway here. You've got a laundry room. Added cabinets above the washer and dryer. You've got a coat closet here. Beautiful living area, and this is a great open floor plan where you've got a kitchen right into the living area, right into the dining area. So I just love these open plans. Crown molding. They have a fireplace. The builder out here doesn't even offer a fireplace as an option anymore. Stepped up cabinets. Look at the pendant lights they added here above the breakfast top. Stainless steel appliances. Nice fridge. But I love this. I love this open floor plan. There's a huge pantry. Got a nice double car garage here with plenty of storage. They've added storage up above, which is nice. You'll notice when you're in the garage, there's something you don't see, and that's a hot water heater, and that's because they have a tankless on-demand gas hot water heater. This is a natural gas community. They've also added a filter system. So the hot water heater is actually on the other side of the wall. It's outside. Just a great space here. Also added a screened-in porch out here, so you've got a nice, private, quiet backyard. What a fantastic day. Ceiling fans out here as well. They've got 2 of them. And then last but not least, we'll take a look at the master bedroom and bath. So again, I like this little alcove entranceway into the master, so the bedroom's not right here in the living room. We've got some separation. Huge master bedroom, tray ceilings, crown molding, ceiling fans. Got plenty of room in here. End tables. And then the master bath, again, you've got comfort height countertops, Our Comfort Height cabinets with granite countertops. There's me again. I'm having speech problems today. Look at that tub. So the developer doesn't even offer this as an option anymore. Now this is just dead space in similar homes. So you've got a nice big tiled in shower and a huge garden tub and a walk-in closet and a separate door for the water closet, which is nice. So this is a great 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's better than new. It's loaded with options. It's only 1 year old, and it's here for you. For more information, give me a call. My name's Jay with Century 21 Boling in Myrtle Beach. All my contact information is right here below in the YouTube comment section. Hope to see you soon.